People just don't realize how much your nervous system affects your overall health. Our goal is so much deeper than pain relief.
So we don't want to wait until something actually comes to the surface. We want to treat you to get you optimal health so you're feeling good and you're functioning well.
Spinal health
Is whole body health.
We use digital x-ray.
It is one of the most advanced diagnostic tools available.
So they did the x-rays and found that I had a blockage in my cervical spine.
And nervous system scanners assess how your body's functioning.
He went through and did the scan, and we've done that 3 to 4 times already, and just looked to see where my back is and where it's going, and see how I've progressed.
We really have advanced
Diagnostic tools. We use a series of neurological checks to make sure we're pinpointing the primary segments so that you're not getting over-adjusted or under-adjusted. It's the right adjustment every single time.
Unlike the traditional cracking and twisting, the integrator won't loosen the tendons or ligaments.
We find that people are very comfortable with our technique.
It is very specific and very gentle. In the integrator, it feels like a firm tap.
Such a very gentle, non-painful way.
I didn't feel any pain during the adjustment or after the adjustment. I just felt good.
The cure shouldn't cause pain,
It was painless.
It's advanced.
and it's gentle.
You see them coming in with a smile and actually experiencing freedom in their health for the first time.
Right after that first adjustment, it was like day and night for me.
They get freedom from a variety of things.
My blood pressure has gone down tremendously.
I no longer have migraines.
Really, it's about whole body health, how you're feeling and how you're functioning.
I'm doing great. I'm able to work all day on my feet.
Set up for success when it comes to your health.
It's vitality. When life is free of pain and movements are easy again.
This
Is why we do this. It's really special to see whole families.
It's so friendly in here.
We really do care.
Just amazing. And I love these doctors.
moms, dads, grandparents, kids, babies.
And there's a friendly face always here to greet you. They know your name.
They're our family.
It's been amazing. I appreciate everything we've done for my health, my care, my family.
We have 4 generations of family members under care in this office.
I really feel like you feel like part of the family when you walk in.
Honored to be part of their family's journey to health. They're a part of our family.